All right, Scouts, so now we're ready to learn our third knot. This is called the square knot, and it's one of the most useful knots we're going to be learning. Now, the square knot is most useful for connecting two lengths of rope together. Now, let's say that you need to tie something up, but your rope isn't quite big enough. This is where you would use the square knot to attach two different lengths together. Now, the hardest part about this knot is remembering which is your right hand and which is your left hand. If you can do that, you can definitely do this knot. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take my rope. I'm gonna put the right hand over top of the left hand rope, okay? Then I'm gonna take the one that's on top, which was my right hand side, and loop it around and into the big hole. Now, unlike our overhand knot, I'm not gonna pull it all the way tight at this time. I'm gonna take my rope that's in my left hand now and cross it over top of the right hand rope. And now you see I've created this second smaller loop. I'm gonna wrap the one that's on top around, pull it through, and there is my square knot. I'm gonna pull it up close so you guys can see that nice knot nice and clear. You know it's a square knot if you can slide it back and forth like this. That means that it's made a nice square ready to go. Now, if you mess up and you do right over left and then right over left again, that's called a granny knot. That's not what we're looking for. Let me show you what that looks like so you know if you did it right or wrong. So if I take my right one over left and then right over left again, I pull it tight, it doesn't have that nice square thing and it won't slide back and forth on itself. That's not the way we want it to go. So let me show you the right way one last time. You're gonna take your right hand side, cross it over the left. You're gonna wrap it around and down into that big hole. Then you're gonna take your left hand side, cross it over the right, and then loop it through the new hole that you created. And there's your square knot, ready to go. Now, take what you've learned, go practice it, and I look forward to see what you do soon.